Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on utilizing Rescale for running ABAQUS simulations. My name is Sherif Samy, and I'm part of the mechanical engineering department. Joining me today is Ahmed Torky from a civil engineering department.
Hello everyone, it's nice to be back and I'm really looking forward to this tutorial.
In today's session, we will cover two main topics: how to perform a typical ABAQUS simulation and how to execute sequential analysis. We will guide you through each step, so let's get started. All right, let's dive into our first objective for today. We are starting with a typical problem in ABAQUS. The only thing you need is the input file from your CAE model. You can generate this file in two ways, either by selecting right input or data check from the job manager in ABAQUS. First, let's make sure the input file is indeed created in your CAE directory. Moving on to Rescale, let's start by navigating to the Jobs tab on the Rescale dashboard. Click on Create New Job and give your job a meaningful name such as Example 1. Now let's upload our input file. We click on Upload from this computer and we upload our input file. Now click on Next and then click on Smiley ABAQUS DSLS. Rescale offers multiple versions of ABAQUS, so it's crucial to select the version that matches your locally installed ABAQUS. And for license options, now select 4085 at ACAM Center. Now let's hit Next. In here, we specify the type of hardware you want to use, and we specify the number of cores. Now, the number of cores you can utilize depends on your ABAQUS license. With our current license, each user can access up to 32 cores at a time. After configuring your job settings, don't forget to assign it to your relevant project. So we will select for this tutorial test Rescale, but you should select your relevant department. After configuring your job setting, click Submit and Rescale will then initiate the job. And it will start by validating your input files and will start by creating a cluster for your job before it starts solving your simulation. You can monitor the progress in real time from the live tailing dashboard. Simply expand the window and keep refreshing until you see .sta file. This file acts similarly to the job monitor in ABAQUS, allowing you to check the progress and the current state of your simulation. Once the job is complete, downloading your results is simple. First, navigate to the Jobs tab on the Rescale dashboard. Click on the name of your job, which we have labeled Example 1. From here, you will want to locate the .odb file, which stands for Output Database. Check the box next to this file and then click on Download to retrieve it. And that's it. You have successfully run an ABAQUS job on Rescale, and you can analyze this file locally using your ABAQUS. Moving on to our second example, we will perform a sequential analysis. It's an approach that uses the output from one simulation as the initial state for another. A typical case is first performing a heat transfer analysis and then use those results to analyze thermal stresses. This can be done in uncoupled simulations. First, it's crucial to ensure that the initial heat transfer analysis outputs a restart file To set this up, go to Step Module in your first phase model, click on Output from the top menu, and then select Restart Request, and make sure the frequency is set to 1. Now head over to the job module to create 2 input files for our analysis. On the Rescale platform, upload these 2 input files. Remember to clearly mark which input file should be solved first. For our example, start with phase1.imp. We will skip the detailed setup steps and they follow the earlier described procedure. Once the first analysis is complete, go to Files section. Here you need to select 4 specific files. The first input file, it's output database file.db, the restart file.res, and the second input file. Click on Duplicate the job with selected files as input files to set up the second phase of the analysis. Now, give this new job a unique name. In the command section, modify the job syntax for the second input file. And we add the syntax all job equal phase1.imp, which refers to the previous input file we just ran. Now you are set to go. Click on Submit to start the second analysis. Alright, once finished, download the resulting file from the Rescale dashboard, and that's it. You have successfully completed the sequential analysis using ABAQUS on Rescale.